Hello guys, so we got another car in easy car detailing, and it's a little bit of project we're doing here. Maserati. We already did the front bumper corners as a smart repair. Shout out to Alan, wonderful job. And the rest of the car we need to polish because we got this overspray plus lots of hard water in a lacquer during the years. Nothing been done in terms of detailing here, in terms of polishing and bring the color back or gloss or shine. Really damaged through the car washes. Once again, I would say the seats and the carpets, lots of work need to be done there in terms of the steamer, wet and dry mats, leather conditioners, and polish it everything off with the microfiber towers. In terms of the alloys, as you see, we don't have them at the moment, so they go to the assets and powder coat it and do them properly inside out. So car would look, I would say, 90% like brand new car, maybe even better, I would say, because we'll be preserved, protect, and ceramic coating in the end, so we seal the bubble. And top of the roof, again, we got the scratches from the animals, foxes, so we're gonna treat that once again and seal it with ceramic coating. What we're going to use in terms of the parts, I would say, especially with the bonnet, we need something like 3M, so we'll be hard cutting, and then we go medium and refine it with a final polish. Bring the gloss and shine and this metallic color back to life, and it will be really glossy, very shiny, and preserve for the winter for sure. Well guys, so we finished this beautiful Maserati Gran Turismo Sport, and what we did here, smart repair, front car, front bumpers, completely restoration, so it looks like brand new now, and so many minerals in this bonnet was unbelievable. So we cut it with a hard part, then we went for medium, and we did refine this beautiful paint, beautiful bonnet once again, and whole car literally refined it and came back. In terms of gloss, shine, it's absolutely beautiful, I would say. And we seal it with ceramic coating. What else we did? We did powder coating alloys, completely strip it down to the assets and respray, so they look like brand new, and preserve with ceramic coating. We preserve calipers, we preserve literally everything there. In terms of inside, interior, strip it down again with the products, all the dirt, all the scuffs, and treat it with ceramic coating. All the carbon in terms of interior-wise was, I would say, polished, because overspray was done by the smart repair previously all over the car. They didn't cover the car, so whole car was literally covered with overspray. That's why we cut the car with heavy, compound the medium, and then refine the paint. Guys, thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you with the next ones.